Hello all, I am Anand Choudhary, Senior Associate at Roedl Partner.
I'm Dipali Joshi, Team Lead Strategy Advisory at Roedl Partner. At the upcoming regional meet of VDMA, we shall be speaking on localizing your supply chain. A need is felt by the industry to develop alternate supply base for the global requirements, and a top contender can be India, as it is one of the major sources of materials and services for local as well as global needs of many international companies.
We shall also touch upon the various factors that one should consider before making a decision on localization. We will also deep dive into critical aspects of implementing the localization strategy. See you on 23rd November at the VDMA Regional Meet.
Thank you.